Did you know that almost 21 million Americans have at least one addiction? Did you know that the Bible mentions specific instructions on how to break free from these strongholds? But we are constantly searching for quick fixes and not getting to the root of the problem. Now imagine if there was a book that showed how to use Scripture to break free from these strongholds and help you gain a closer relationship with God. Well, you don't have to imagine it. We've created it. It's called Fasting to Freedom. In the book Fasting to Freedom by Chantel Ray, you will learn the power of fasting and how it can help you experience victory over nagging areas of sin in your life. The Bible doesn't say if you fast, it says when you fast. And in this book, you will learn the basics of fasting and what scriptures to meditate on when fasting. Chantel and thousands like her struggled with food addiction. And in this book, she describes how she used fasting to break free and draw closer to God. Freedom is possible. And with Fasting to Freedom, you're one step closer to the victory God desires for you to walk in. Grab your copy today. And if you join our launch team, you can receive a free copy of the audiobook and ebook. Go to fastingtofreedom.com to purchase your copy today.